Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon printer. I have Canon Pixma MG5700 series. I have MG5750, so it's 5700 series. And now I'm gonna show you how to open your embedded web server of this printer, how to find and how to open web interface of this printer. So firstly, you need to check your printer's IP address. To do it, firstly open your home screen, then scroll down and find here setup. So choose setup, then find device settings, then LAN settings. Your device must be connected to the Wi-Fi network. Then find here confirm LAN settings and choose here print LAN details and click yes. Wait a while. So great. We need only first page. I have cancelled printing of the second page. So on the first page here we have TCP IPv4 enabled and IP address. And here we have our IP address. In my case it's 192.168.88 and 32. So just enter your IP address into your web browser. So your laptop must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer connected, or if you have PC as me, so your printer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi router that your PC connected using LAN cable. So your devices must be in the one network. So in my case, my IP is 192.168.88 and 32. Yep, 32. And click enter. And great. As you can see, here we have our embedded web server. So here we can see our inked levels. I have new color black and it full, and as you can see here we have our printer status. But we need to open the embedded web server. To do it, just click log on, then click advanced and proceed to this network, to this site. Wait a while and great, and now we need to enter our administrator password of our printer, and your default password is your printer name, so it might be Canon or 1234567 or 7654321, or in my case it's my serial number. So of course, if you have changed your printer's password, so you need to provide your password. But if you want to connect first time when the serial number or when the standard password, factory password is setting up, so you need to find your serial number. So in my case, serial number I can find in settings, so open settings. So you can find your serial number in settings too, so just open device settings again, then find here device user settings, scroll down and find your serial number, and here you will see your serial number. So I will enter it now. In my case it's large uppercase KMC, yes, then S 63615. Okay, so I have entered my password. Wait a while. Yes, I have entered my password, and now I just wanna to great. So now I just wanted to connect. So I have entered my password. Oh my gosh. Great. So I have entered my password, and now I just need to click connect button on my printer's web server. So just click OK. Wait a while. And great. As you can see, here we have our embedded web server. So here we have printer status, utilities, settings, print settings, web service, connection setup, security, system info. We can update our system and change the language. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.